this cruiser out. 1977 Lincoln Continental Town Car. Wow, this is a four-door sedan, folks, I believe. 77 would have been the last year of these big-bodied Lincolns. 460 cubic inch V8 underneath the hood. 7.5 liter. That is paired up with the automatic transmission. Believed to be original miles, according to the previous owner. 68,125 is what the odometer shows now. Judging by the engine bay, the interior, undersides of this car, I would completely believe that that could be the original miles on it. Let's go ahead and take a look at this front grille. Rolls-Royce inspired, of course. We'll start it up here in a little bit. We'll hit the headlights, check out those headlight covers. But as you can see, the chrome shows nice up here, bright work. Paint, all shows well on this car. If you want to check out the still pictures, you can see that engine bay. You can check out the underside of the car. Interior. Top to bottom, inside and out, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can always call us, 507-386-1726. Look how straight this car is, too. And those long body panels, they get much poor body work done on them. It is going to show in a hurry. No doubt about that. Interior, of course, split bench seat. Very luxurious interior for 77. Then, of course, the vinyl roof. Take a look from the rear to the front down the passenger side. Again, you can see how straight that is. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Go ahead and take a look at the rear bumper filler panels. Still in nice shape. The paint's checking on them a little bit, but they look like the original, could be original paint. Air shocks have been added to the rear. This car is also equipped, of course, with power steering, power brakes, AC. The AC compressor, the belt has been disconnected from it, so that will need a little attention. FYI, consignor has elected to reflect it in the price and sell it the way it is. Once again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Let's look at this car down the driver's side, from the rear to the front. Again, you can see how straight this side is also. Don't really see any bubbling, anything popping above the wheel wells. Technicians also noted the front windows work fine. Rear window is a little jumpy on the passenger side, and kind of the same way on the driver's side. So fronts were fine. They did note a couple exceptions on the rear. Power seat does work on the driver's side. Tried that out a little bit ago. So you have power seat, actually both sides on this particular car. Power windows, power locks, power mirror. Again, for 1977, luxurious automobile. Headliner looks good. And you can see, as far as the wear on the seats go, this would be original interior. Not really any rips, tears, holes in the interior. That would coincide and reflect with what the previous owner has said, believed to be original miles. Take a look at the top of this dash too. Lots of times you see those cracked, faded, or sun checked. All right, now exact miles, 68,125. It's tough to see the 6 in front of that A. I did get the flash on in the still pictures, and that did show up in there, so you can see it in the still pictures. Radio and wipers, both of those working.
Excuse me, K will now be.
Blower, fan, and everything worked here as far as on the AC and heat. But remember, I mentioned that AC earlier. Also notice it appears the gas gauge is working, and this fuel light has flickered on me a little bit, so I believe that is going to be the low fuel light. Let's see, anything else? How about the other gauges down here? Alternator working fine. assuming the temp is going to rise with the temperature of the engine. There you can see, I don't know if the fuel gauge came up a little bit, the fuel went off. That door light stayed on. Not sure about that. Doors are all closed. All right, so there's the interior. Let's click those lights on. Got headlights up there. Looks like the doors must work fine. The other thing I did while we were in the interior, I did lower that power antenna from when we walked around earlier, so the power antenna also works. Giving you an idea how it sounds. Again, 460 V8 underneath the hood. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. First of all, I guess let's show you the headlights here. You can see the headlight doors. Everything functioning properly there. I'm going to pause this a second. Let's pop the hood, check that engine bay, and we'll wrap this.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. Covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, hood popped. Look at this engine bay. Another reason I would believe this to be actual miles. You can still see the stickers on the valve covers. Nice tidy engine bay. Not all corroded, rusty, anything like that. Still see labels over here in the valve covers also. From the factory back in '77. Pretty much what you'd expect to hear and see underneath there. '77 Lincoln Continental Town Car. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.